Today we're going to be working with three-dimensional shapes. So not flat shapes, but solid shapes. For the first couple of screens, you're going to see 6 three-dimensional shapes. They have their name at the top, and then there are 3 question marks that's asking you how many edges, how many vertices, and how many faces on the shape. So I'm going to look at the first one, edges. Let's look at the cube and see how many edges it has. Remember, an edge is a straight side. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's do the middle. 5, 6, 7, 8, and don't forget the bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to double click that question mark and I'm going to put 12 for edges. Now I'm going to do vertices. A vertex is where 2 or more edges meet. So it's also called a corner. So I'm going to look at my cube up here and I'm going to count how many vertices it has. I'm going to start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to go to the bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 vertices on a cube. And finally I come to faces. Faces are flat 2-dimensional shapes on the 3-dimensional shape. So I see a square here. There's 1, a square on the top, 2, a square at the back, 3, 2 on the sides, 4, 5, and then 1 on the bottom, 6. So I'm going to replace that question mark with a 6. Then the last thing you need to do on the slide is spell it. And it's already up there for you, so you can use your resource to make sure you spell it correctly. I'm going to double click on my question mark, and then I'm going to type it in, C-U-B-E, cube. Then I go ahead and do sphere, cone, rectangular prism, cylinder, and pyramid. When you're done with pyramid, watch the next directional video for the next slide.